Hello friends, welcome to PPD Smart Lock Showroom. Today I will introduce the Smart Lock PH-CS13 to you. This Smart Lock is aluminum alloy material and the nice surface is painted. The painting can last a very long time and will not fall off. Our Smart Lock can be used in different climates, from -30 degrees to 60 degrees. No matter which country you are from, you can use our Smart Lock. Now let me show you different ways to open the door. You can use our face, our finger print, also the password. You can use the card to unlock. Our Smart Lock can use phone app to unlock. You can use Tuya app or the Smart Life app. If there is no electricity, we can use the mechanical keys to unlock. And the Smart Lock can get charged through the USB charger. From the interior side, we can use the handle to lock and unlock very quickly. Also, there is the knob, and we can use the button to lock and unlock very conveniently. From the interior side, the owner can use the screen to check the outside situation, very convenient. Choose PPD Smart Lock. Choose smart and safe life.